I think it's about time I name a drink after myself. You know what? You guys should make up some fun names for me. Just leave them down here in the comments. I'll create a cocktail for the best one. I'll announce the winner sometime in the future. But since you guys are already dragging your asses, I'll just have to mix up someone else's drink today. Let's see. Maybe a Tom Collins. But before we do that, we gotta wake up the membrane before it goes insane with a victory shot. Today's drink is a Varna. It's an Amaro to be drunk after dinner. Damn Italians, they know how to mix up a drink. I can't do it. Hey, bring me the wild turkey.
That's some good stuff right there.
It sure is. I like it. And you know the good thing about video? They'll never know. 3, 2, 1. That's some good Blantons. The Tom Collins is a work of ego gone wrong. A bartender named John Collins named this refreshing drink after himself, even though he himself may not have been the person who actually invented this drink. The John Collins was actually mixed with an old gin called Old Tom Gin. Over time, customers started calling it Tom Collins. They requested it just so they knew they were getting the good stuff. Sounds like John got what was coming to him. The enterprising bastard. 15 mLs of simple syrup. 30 mLs of lemon juice. 45 mLs of gin. We're going to use my home gin. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. I wonder where this gin originated. The heck? It originated right here in the parlor. Add ice to a Collins glass and strain. And top off with some club soda. And that's a Tom Collins. I passed a police officer the other day and I was pretty sure I wasn't supposed to see him. You see, he was hiding in his cruiser, parked between two bushes, watching for cars as they flew around the bend. Not gonna lie, this sort of peeved me. Here you are doing a job of honor, yet you're hiding in a bush preying, yes, preying on others who don't know you're there. See, if I snuck into a bush to watch police drive by, I would probably be considered suspicious behavior. Oddly enough, you never see firefighters driving around looking for a hot blaze. Also, firefighters are not allowed to plant evidence. If they did, we would call them arsonists. Just a thought.
3, 2.
3, 2, 1. That's some good Blantons. I'm ready.